Experience enhanced passenger security with the passenger grab handles from Gears. A simple yet effective harness that keeps passengers steady and confident on the back of your motorcycle, snowmobile, or jet ski. Crafted from tough waterproof nylon, this harness withstands diverse weather conditions, ensuring dependable durability. Step 1 is just to get it around the main rider's waist and adjust it. Once the main rider is on the motorcycle, then passenger can go ahead. I'll just hold on to the rider using the easy-to-grab handles on the passenger grab belt. Perfect for women, girls, children, and kids. Ergonomically designed and adjustable up to 55 inches, it easily accommodates riders of all sizes. Slipping over jackets, life vests, or snowmobile suits. Add to cart and go seize your adventure.